Come join us on a magical day trip from Venice, Italy, as we explore the enchanting islands of Murano and Burano. From world-famous Murano glassmaking to the postcard-perfect colorful houses of Burano, this adventure is full of charm, culture, and hidden gems. So if you're thinking about going to these two unique Venetian islands or booking a tour here, this video is for you. If you haven't yet, subscribe for more of the best of Italy, because we got so much more coming. Now with that all said, let's get to Murano and Burano. Alright, where are we going, Megan?
On a day trip to Murano and Burano.
Murano and Burano. We are heading there on a boat. We're going to do a tour.
And they're two separate islands.
Yes, but first some espresso and lattes. Here's my first double espresso in Venice. Doesn't pay for anything yet.
We can't forget about that.
Just walk out. I thought it was free. It was my first one. Nobody's come see me yet. I've been holding up the sign. Look.
Okay.
See, look, we're on here. Hey! Look through City Wonders.
Yes, Manuela from City Wonders. Hello.
Hello. Can't wait. So we're going to do, which island are we going first? Burano?
We are going to Murano first,
Oh.
the island for glassmaking.
I can't wait. This will be exciting. Yes.
Oh, it's very beautiful.
Yeah, very
We will
nice.
see a glass factory. Today is Easter. Happy Easter!
Happy Easter, everyone. All right.
And so we will see just a man, showing the main techniques.
Yes.
Next island, it will be better. It's like the rainbow on earth.
I can't wait. Yeah, we can't wait. Is that what that pastel color house is?
Exactly.
Nice,
The island
yes.
of Burano.
Ooh, love it. So,
Yeah.
right on. Yeah.
Proposed to me yet.
I haven't proposed yet. This is a third date.
Propose to this beauty here.
Now, just so we're all clear, there was no marriage proposals on this day trip. However, we were heading on a boat and getting straight to Murano. Once getting into Murano, we first went to the glass factory where everything was being made. The manager introduced us to the artist, who was incredibly talented at glass making, from the sculpting, the creating, and glass blowing. It was very unique and awesome to see. The artist showed his final product, and we were all impressed by his work. Once the demonstration was completed, we went into the store. I then left, as Megan wanted to do some shopping, and I really want to do some sightseeing. Well, Megan's buying some glass, so I'm not. Those prices were crazy. Honestly, there was bowls in there for like 5,000 euros. I can find that in Walmart or Marshall's for $20. Maybe not handcrafted, but pretty awesome still. We're gonna check out this town. We got some time. I can't wait to see what I can find. I don't even know what's here. So anyways, we're gonna check that out. Hopefully cafe. I really would like another latte for sure. So let's go. We got the latte. So we just stopped at this place behind me. Seemed like an alright cafe, might as well. I don't think there's many here, so take what I can get, I guess. It's decent. Not as strong as the last place, but really good. No, she didn't buy it.
I didn't buy the gondola.
Why didn't you buy the gondola?
Because I was afraid I was going to break it by the time I got home.
How much was that?
75 euros.
Yuck.
So I bought a 25 euro pair of earrings.
You bought the earrings. Well, hopefully they last, right?
Hopefully. I think the ones they had that broke before were the ones that were the studs that came off. So
Yeah.
hopefully these ones last.
Okay, perfect.
I'll
Right
show
on.
them to you later. They're packaged up. But I'll put them on today.
Sounds good. Well, we got a little bit of time to check out some stuff.
Did you go over here already?
I haven't gone on that side, so let's do it. So here, this is more your industrial. This is a working town. There's a lot of glass making here. Like, I don't even know, dozens of factories for sure.
This feels better this way.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I would love to. Try it first though for me.
I warmed it up.
Is it good? All right. After focaccia, we just took a walk and enjoyed the time that we had in Murano. That's the other thing. I keep getting bugged all day, all morning now about getting her a ring. Everyone's like, why aren't you guys married? Why aren't you guys married?
She's so beautiful.
She is beautiful. Megan is beautiful. I love Megan. I told her you're my best friend.
Aw,
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
You're my best friend.
Heck yeah. And It is getting busier, by the way. So, and this is April, so I don't know what it's going to be like in July.
Beautiful out today.
It is so nice. But here's the thing.
Easter Sunday.
It is Easter Sunday, and it is busy. So, I don't know. It's kind of interesting. Like, I would say if you can, definitely book the morning tour. Definitely book the morning tour. So,
I think they did have an afternoon one.
yeah, they got an afternoon option, which is great too, but you know what? It's already like tripling in people out here right now. We didn't have a lot of time on the island of Murano. It is still beautiful. However, we were really looking forward to going to Burano, so it was time to get on that boat and get to that other island.
We're in Burano.
Burano!
Look how cool that is behind us.
Yeah.
Look at those colors.
That is cool. You need to come here if you're in Venice and spending more than 1 or 2 days. Check it out for sure. So this tour gives you an option of a lace factory, but we're going to skip that.
It is your tour. You have the option where you're the one paying for the tour.
Yes.
If you don't want to do a part of it, you can always skip. Like with the glass, we could have always skipped the glass pulling demonstration and the glass thing, and just gone and wandered around Murano. And that's what we're doing here. We're skipping the lace part.
Yeah.
Because we want to spend more time in this really cool town because we only have an hour and 40 minutes.
It's so true. So, which is still a good enough time. But if you're going to a lace factory and you're not going to buy anything,
and
then
that's going to take up probably at least a half hour.
Exactly. But if you want to know where the lace factory is, see that big tower, spin it around, boom, right there. That's where the little demonstration is going to be. This is really cool though. Like when you get a town like this, and this is just the start. So we can't wait to show and see what else we can find here.
I know. I need a photo.
Okay. All right. Photo times.
Right here.
Okay. Our favorite thing to do in Burano was definitely just getting lost and checking out some of these streets.
You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to.
Oh yeah. So another thing we did find out is there was like a family of 10, and they were like, hey, why don't we just take a water taxi back? So if you got a bunch of people and you really love this place, there is options to go back to Venice.
She said it's like a 200 euros for a 40-minute ride.
Yeah, so we're not going to do that. We're going to opt out of paying the 200 euros. But if there's like 10 of you or 8 of you, it might be worth your time if you want to spend more time than an hour and a half here. So
True.
just remember that.
I know.
Soon enough, it was around lunchtime, so we went to grab a little snack and something to drink. So we seen this sign, and well, I was curious and wanted to stop and see what this was about. We got to find out what this Venetian spritz is all about. So I'm buying. Let's go in. Yeah, we get one with balls too. Hello. Buongiorno. 2 Venetian spritz. I love it. She's recording me while this is being recorded. I love it. Let's do this.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking a Venetian spritz.
What's a Venetian spritz?
I have no idea, but it has spritz in it.
Do you like it?
It's good. I just don't know the difference.
Why does your face look like you don't like it?
Because I have a weird face. Thank you, though. Okay, break it apart. You gotta do it. Ooh, that's the ham ones.
Yeah, ham and cheese.
Ooh, cheesy. Yours looks better.
Well, that one's technically mine that you're eating. Remember?
I know. That's. I mean, this is yours.
Oh.
That looks better.
Uh-huh. Look at me. I got all the balls.
And I got no balls.
And look, we're by the water.
Yeah, we are by the water.
So this is probably the expensive part of Murano.
You're probably right. Definitely a great spot, nice and quiet, because you'll see later that this area does get super busy around the corner. We then took a walk, found the bridge that everyone loves taking their pictures or videos on, and you can definitely see why. I'll put the Google Maps location in the description, so if you're looking for it, it'll be right there.
So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I'm.
This place is busy now. This is crazy. Way busier than it was about an hour ago. Holy, we have found all the tourists now. Can't find Megan. There's Megan. Now, as I said before, it gets busy, but busy for all good reasons. With the shops, the cafes, and restaurants, you definitely want to stop here and take a walk down this street.
Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it. Just say the word.
Now, one of the most upsetting things about this island was Megan shopping. She couldn't find her magnet, and she had no idea what to do. However, I found the magnet I wanted, and pretty soon, Megan, so did she. But you know what? I was still looking for something different. And guess what? I ran into this one shop, and I found it.
What do we have here?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see that beak. Hold on, look straight. Let me see the beak.
Is this? Welcome to Burano! So what did you think of Burano, Megan?
I loved it. We need more time here though.
Yes.
I would like to spend at least 2-3 hours wandering this town, but we only have like an hour and a half. That's fine. But we got to see the main parts, and I thought originally before coming here only like one street was full of the colorful houses, but literally every house is colorful in this
It really
entire
is.
town.
It makes it so much more unique than other places in the world I've been or we've been, where it's just usually just a line of houses and that's it, you know? So, you know, otherwise, yeah, I loved it too. It was really cool. I got my, what is it called?
Plague Doctor.
The
mask.
Plague Doctor mask. We got some magnets. We had some drinks. We had some food. We checked out some cool stuff. It was really fun.
We had some Venetian spritzes.
Yep. Yeah, Venetian spritz. So remember that one too. You kind of need to do a tour though if you don't want to pay that kind of money, right?
I wonder if they do have like the public, like water bus.
I don't know. That would, you know what, they
That would
probably
still
do.
be a decent amount.
If there is, we'll let you know. Put it right down there. And yeah, other than that,
Back to Venice.
pretty soon we were heading back on that boat and straight to Venice. Now, if you were wondering about Megan's earrings, there they are. They were 25 euros to get them in Murano. Honestly, probably the cheapest thing you're going to get is something like that. So if you do want a souvenir, it's a great souvenir. Otherwise, thanks for watching, everyone, and we can't wait to show you in our next one all our fun Venice adventures. So stick around for that. If you like this type of content, hit subscribe and definitely hit the like button. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.